You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 35/16. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Multiply the fractions. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Break up the fraction. Group like terms. Divide fraction for addition. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 5/2. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 35/16.